Hey guys, it's Mohammed. Today I'm in PhD University for great workshop. My friend invited me, so I'm here to be like my experience and talk to audience. Let's what's going on here. I graduated in physics. Imagine.
I am Ali Sadeghi, a faculty member of Shaykh PhD University in Physics Department. My research activity is computational modeling and nanostructures. Our expectation of this tutorial is that we introduce our experimental and simulation facilities to these Iraqi researchers so that they would be able to start some collaborations with us and do the same research in their own groups in Iraq.
Hi, welcome to our lab.
Today we are going to introduce you to CVD methods and synthesizing graphene.
Vapor process is used to deposit 2D materials such as graphene, tungsten diselenide, and so on a substrate. There are three important steps in CVD. First, annealing. Second, growth or synthesize. And the third one is cooling. The heat rate and the time for annealing are also important.
Here 20 professor and university teachers come. It takes 2 days, but they arrange lots of entertainment and extra city tours and with yummy foods.
My name is Dr. Taha Al-Saadi.
My name is Shana. I'm a lecturer at Suleimani Polytechnic University, Iraq.
I'm Dr. Loma from Cairo University, College of Science, Chemistry Department.
So do you recommend this workshop to others?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, sure. I recommend it. Workshop like this.
This is very important and this is very useful.
How was the workshop?
You're welcome, you're welcome.
It's good.
Very nice.
We are in Tehran Bird's Garden, the biggest this kind of garden in Iran. It's really beautiful. Today is the last day of this tour, and morning they went to shrine in south of Tehran, and now we are in Milad Tower. Now workshop here is finished in Milad Tower, and I really enjoyed the workshop course and lot of science. Also city tours. We visited lots of different important places in Tehran, and we enjoyed it. And I met very educated people, a professor from Iraq. I hope the best for this group, and I'm waiting for next workshop.